Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today we're going to take a look at how you can make your sailboat cockpit safer for you and your sailing crew when sailing along the coast or offshore cruising. Conduct this easy test while at the dock or slip. Shut off the cockpit scupper seacocks and hook up a garden hose and fill the cockpit as high as practicable. Open the scuppers and time how long it takes to drain the cockpit. If a wave comes aboard your boat and adds just 100 gallons of water to the cockpit basin, this could increase your sailboat displacement by 850 pounds. Seawater weighs about 8.5 pounds per gallon. That's one reason that smaller cockpits are safer for coastal or offshore sailing. Reduce the amount of volume in your cockpit with a small box made of plywood or fiberglass. Work out a secure bolting system to keep your box in place. Increase scupper drain diameter to 1.5 inches or more to get rid of water faster. Install screens to keep out debris. Check for leaks inside cockpit lockers. The better locker lids have a lot of overlap and deep drain channels along each side. Glue a rubber gasket along the inside edges of your locker lids. Install a large hasp that will compress against the gasket to make a waterproof seal. You need a high bridge deck to act as a dam to keep water in the cockpit and out of the cabin. Measure from the cockpit sole to the top of the bridge deck. The bridge deck should be about 12 inches high if you sail outside of sheltered waters. That way, if a sea comes aboard and fills the cockpit, this will help prevent water intrusion into the cabin. Check batteries kept in a cockpit locker each day underway. Straps must be through-bolted and strong enough to keep your batteries in place even in the event of a knockdown. Protect your engine instrument panels from damage. On some boats, the engine key and stop are mounted too low. They can be kicked or tripped on while sailing. Install a plexiglass guard that protects the engine key and stop. Use these 7 sailing tips to make your sailboat safer for coastal or offshore sailing. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.